Okay, since that everyone will come back to our hall, PSF hall, so let's start the lightning talk. Hello everyone, I'm Kun Xian Huang, so the host of lightning talk. And so this year we changed our lightning talks to 3 minutes. That will be more exciting than last year. Let's say it lasts too long, so yeah. So everybody were not so excited about that because everybody can talk as they want. It's not fair. I want everybody just cut out in 3 minutes. And so we have 4 talks today. So first one is from Sony. And he's also bring one project to our sprint on Monday. Yeah, so yeah, hope everyone will go to sprint. So let me see. So your my phone. So
my test. All right. Ready when you are.
So let's start.
All right. So everyone, I'm Mr. Valdez, and I'm talking about a talk about your computer terminal is also a video player, if you don't believe it. Now, since this is 3 minutes instead of the normal 5 minutes, I'm going to skip the backstory on why I'm wearing a mask. Thank you. So, this is presented by me, Mr. Valdez, and as a heads up, I gave this presentation last month at our local meetup, and I'm basically cutting all of the fluff and going straight to the final project. The tools and libraries used for creating a user interface is Curses, OpenCV, YTTBLP to download from YouTube, and to extract the frames FFmpeg, because we're going to show a video running on real time here in this terminal over here. Oops, forget about that. Terminal console, we're using Curses. Why TUI instead of GUI? Because it's faster, stronger, lots of tools available, and people think that you are hacking. Let me show you how to download a video with this command. There we go, it's downloading. Now, since this is a lightning talk, I already downloaded it. It's somewhere in here. Next, we're going to extract the frame for each of the video and put it here on this directory. Oh no. Well, it's not the first time that something went wrong in my presentation. Now, images are just bitmaps. A map of binaries, RGBs, and we're going to convert that into something that can be shown on the terminal. So, as promised, let's run the video. Heads up, this code I got from the internet, and I just changed it around just to make it easier to present. That's not what I wanted. Here we go. I should have put it a little bit faster. There we go. Yay! If I had more time, I would have shown how it works. But hey, the GitHub is up here. And guess what? There's one more. We can stream videos. So, this is from OpenCV. Hey.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Thank you very much.
Cut off. Okay, thank you, Sony. I like his macho mask and also his soul. So next one will be Sensu. He will bring he's from the PyCon Korea 2024. Okay. Can you do that?
Could you switch the display?
画面稍微先一下，等一下我计时。 Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Let's start.
Okay. Hi, I'm Sung-soo from the PyCon Korea. Actually, in the PyCon Korea, we have a 5 minutes for the lightning talk, but okay, 3 minutes, but it's okay. I have only 8 slides, so that I can speak very slowly. But the next speaker, the Gonan, he has a 60 slides for the lightning talk. So don't count down for me, and the countdown for the Gonan. Okay, so I will introduce the PyCon Korea 2024. So the first PyCon Korea was in 2014, and this year is the 10th anniversary for the PyCon Korea. So at first, it was the very small event with 300 attendees, but now it has become a biggest developer community conference in South Korea. And now we have over 1,000 attendees are joining every year. And if you want to know about the history of PyCon Korea, you can scan the QR code, and you can see the Conan-based lightning talk at the last year's PyCon US. So he's talking about how the PyCon Korea began and what kind of the stories are there. So personally, it was very moving stories for me. So I don't have much time for now, but I'm waiting for a moment that everyone can take a picture of this QR code. Okay. Okay, and this year the PyCon Korea will be held in the Suwon, not the Seoul. But Suwon is very close with the Seoul, so it takes about an hour by public transportation from Seoul. So the picture on the right side is our venue, the Suwon Convention Center, and it has a very nice view and a very convenient venue. But unfortunately, this time, the date of PyCon APEC exactly same. I really want to go to the PyCon APEC this year, but I have to stay in Seoul and support the PyCon Korea. But yeah, we are looking for the other way to the connecting between the PyCon APEC and the PyCon Korea too. And this is our program. We have 4 keynotes for today and 35 breakout sessions. And we are also collaborating with the other open source communities. So that there are 5 communities are coming with the PyCon Korea. So if you want to join the PyCon Korea, you can buy a ticket from our website.
6, 5, 4,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Okay, see you at the PyCon Korea.
Yeah, I like to cut everyone's talk. So next third one will be from PSF's Kong Han Sang. Kong Han. Yep. So PSF to show who you are. 可以先打出来看一下，对。Okay, when you are ready, we start to count.
Hi, I'm Gwanan from the PSF, and my title is Join the PSF Community. Show me who you are. As you know, Python is just not a language. Python is just a language and community. It means no community is no Python. Problem is, we are Asian, so shy. Yeah, actually, I'm shy too. I'm in the salesperson mode. My broken poor English, my skill is also poor. Korean, Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, I visited these countries by the PyCon, almost the same problem. Posted by culture and our parents, high education, we are already qualified. But we think we are not good. That's the problem. They don't think so. me, PSF don't think so. You are already qualified. You are okay to do that. You are okay to do that. Anything with Python. Do it bold, bravery, without fear. Please, please. I visited New York in 2007, first time. I went to the Starbucks, asked for the one bench size, binary calculator light. Yeah, in Korea, we don't have the bench size at the time. Prepared 30 times to order in English, my first time. But I got 2 bench size binary calculator light. I didn't say anything. I'm Asian. We don't complain. I just drank 2 cups of bench like this. Asian don't throw food, then go to hell after that. I just drank them all with the tears through my stomach. After drank 2 bench size capillaty, I can complain now. Now I can say anything in English. I don't care what they say. I don't care what they think about me, just trying. If I can say, I think that time again, drinking 2 bench size capillaty along with the full stomach all day. So please say something. To show we are here, join the PSF Beijing members, for Python-related user group organizers, developers contributing OSS, join the PS contributing members. Also, we have supporting members. And also, if you have GitHub account, please join us. GitHub sponsor. Oh no! Yeah. Please respond to the Python survey.
4,
Oh no!
3, 2, 1,
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Anyway, if you need my help, please ask me for help.
Thank you, please.
Okay.
Join PSF Best members.
Okay. This is my connection. Please ask me.
It's our rule, sorry. But yeah, we have a PSF phone, so please join us.
Hello， 那等一下我们最后一位闪电秀的讲者就是刚才的主持人，我们看他刚才切人切得很爽，但就是切他了，对。他要把去年5分钟的讲，今天缩到3分钟，我们来看他怎么讲。
可以吗？哦，这可以。
好了吗？
好了吗？好 ，OK。
Go.
We change it. We need no. We like to write codes Python TW sprints. So next is after listening so many talks about Python programming, I think you are eager to write some codes. Yeah. This is from Jujutsu Kaisen. We are not sorry for anything about the end of a program. We are writing to sprints. And so we hold our sprint on Monday, and we the whole is at the value is at Daku, so it's a third floor of a market. So you will see that's a very cool place. And you should go there on Monday. So we have 5 projects that cover all Pythonic levels. First is Apache Airflow. I think Airflow is so famous. Probably you have to join it. Second one is you can translate our Python documents to Mandarin Chinese. So if you don't know how to write the code, you still contribute. You can still contribute to them. The third one is Sony. She's so funny, so please join that. And the fourth one is the data modes. So it's from Stephanie Molin. So she will bring some statistics and the data visualization program. And final one is the Raven Laner. So that he bring let's build a dictionary so we can contribute his lesson. So that's. If you don't know how to code, you can join, please. So this is a video last year. So this year, so we can see that it's so funny. We don't have time. So please register our screen right now. So no time to spring, just go on the bus. So write a call right now. So you don't think so? Yeah, we can contribute project and make some friends. So join us on Monday. We have stuff. So yeah, let's get it there. And yeah, thank you.
哦，不，我们没办法切到坤贤。
Huh? Okay, so and also we have lunch. We provide lunch, so you don't have to worry about the food. So and also the registration fee is only 100 NTD. So yeah, it's so cheap.
10,
Yeah,
9, 8, 7,
just keep it
Five.
here.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. So that's all the lightning talk today. So thank our speaker, and we have a pie night later. So let's get the time to to Ray.
嗨，大家好。那今天的 Lightning Show 就先到这边结束。那如果各位晚上有时间，那就欢迎大家留下来。我们晚上还有拍耐的活动。那我们会准备一些披萨或点心，然后饮料。那欢迎大家留下来跟我们一起同乐。那我们有志工有带吉他、带桌游。那如果对这些小东西有兴趣的话，大家欢迎一起来玩。那听听音乐，或是如果你喜欢音乐、擅长音乐，那也欢迎跟我们志工借吉他来表演一下你擅长的曲目。那另外就是外面可能现在有点下雨，如果大家等一下要离开的话，就是要注意安全，不要对明天有活动，大家记得明天要参加。好，谢谢大家。